To log out from your Google Gemini account, this is the video for you, so simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to log out from your Google Gemini account. Now if you want to log out from your Google Gemini account but you don't know how to do it, then you just need to make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data. And after that, you just need to open the Google Gemini app. So if you have not downloaded the app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store. So after that, you just need to tap on the option of profile icon at the very top right, and here you will see the options like switch account, upgrade to Google AI Plus, Gemini and activities, and all of it. So from here you just scroll down and tap on the option of settings like this. So after settings, here you will see the option of your public links to Gemini voice and all of it. After seeing all of it, if you see the option of account settings, that depends on the app version which is available. So currently there is no one available on mine. So if you see the option of account settings, or if you see the option of sign out or log out by scrolling down, then you will simply log it out from here. But if you don't see the option like that, then you just need to go to settings and you just need to remove the Google account from here, and it will be automatically log out from your Google Gemini app. So that's it. That's how you can log out from Google Gemini. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.